This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series, episode 4, part 1. In this series, we will cover maximum MCQs of Pakistan Affair, and I'm sure that whether you appear for CSS or PMS or any other job exam, this series will help you score maximum marks in Pakistan Affair. So in this video, we will discuss about the MCQs of Mughal dynasty. So there are total 79 MCQs. That is why I have divided it into two parts. So in this part 1, we will cover 40 MCQs. So in this video, we will cover 40 MCQs. And in the end, I will put some questions so you can try to solve those questions and compare your answers from I will give in the comment section, so you can know how much you are progressing in this series. So stay tuned with this channel. First MCQ is, Babur came to India from, options are Fargana, Khiva, China, Sistan. So the right option here is Fargana. Babur came to India from Fargana. Second MCQ is, who was founder of Mughal Emperor in subcontinent? Options are Babur, Jahangir, Ahmad Shah, Akbar. So the right option is Babur. Babur is the founder of Mughal Emperor in subcontinent. Third MCQ is, Babur born in which year? Okay, options are 1485, 1489, 1480, 1483. So the right option here is 1483. Babur born in 1483. Fourth MCQ is, when Babur made his first bid to control Samarkand? Options are 1496, 1499, 1498, 1501. So the right option here is 1496. In 1496, Babur made his first bid to control Samarkand. So 1496 is the right option. I am just repeating it so that you can memorize it completely. Okay, I hope you understand this point. So fifth MCQ is, when Babur captured Samarkand? Options are 1490, 1497, 1492, 1457. So the right option here is 1497. In 1497, Babur captured Samarkand. 1497 is the right option here. Babur fell seriously ill at, options are Fargana, Baghdad, Samarkand, Delhi. So the right option here is Samarkand. So in the city of Samarkand, Babur fell seriously ill. Seventh MCQ is, Babur captured Kabul in which year? Options are 1502, 1503, 1504, 1505. So the right option here is 1504. In 1504, Babur captured Kabul. Eighth MCQ is, Babur again captured Samarkand and Agra in which year? Options are 1511, 1512, 1513, 1514. So the right option here is 1513. So Babur again captured Samarkand and Agra in 1513. In this part of the episode 4, there are a lot more questions which are regarding the years. They are asking more about the years. So that's why I'm repeating, so you do not get confused about it. Ninth MCQ is, Babur defeated Lodhis at the first battle of Panipat in which year? Options are 1526, 1525, 1522, 1530. So the right option here is 1526. Babur defeated Lodhis at the first battle of Panipat. It means the first battle of Panipat happened in 1526 and the Babur defeated Lodhis in 1526. Third MCQ is, Babur won the first battle of Panipat due to, options are his cavalry, his military skills, Tulugma system. Fourth option is right here, which is all of these. 11th MCQ is, when Babur defeated Rana Sanga? Options are 1520, 1529, 1527, 1530. So the right option here is 1527. In 1527, Babur defeated Rana Sanga. 1527 is the right option here. Babur defeated Afghans in 1529 in the Battle of, options are Agra, Gogra, Delhi and Lahore. So the right option here is Gogra. So in the Battle of Gogra, Babur defeated Afghans in 1529. So Gogra is the right option here. Babur died in 1530 in options are Peshawar, Bengal, Sindh, Fargana. So Bengal is the right option here. Babur died in 1530 in Bengal. 14th MCQ is Babur was buried in options are Delhi, Bengal, Kabul, Lahore. So Kabul is the right answer here. Babur was buried in Kabul. Name of Babur's autobiography is options are Tusk-e-Nama, Tusk-e-Babri, Tusk-e-Jahangiri, Tusk-e-Akbari. So the right option here is Tusk-e-Babri. Autobiography of Babur is Tusk-e-Babri. 16th MCQ is Babur was succeeded by options are Shah Jahan, Bahadur Shah, Humayun, Sher Shah. So the right option here is Humayun. Babur was succeeded by Humayun. 17th MCQ is Babur memories were first written in language. Options are Turkish, Urdu, English, Persian. So the right option here is Turkish. So the Babur memories were first written in Turkish language. Humayun ascended the throne at options are Delhi, Swat, Lahore, Agra. So Agra is the right option here. Humayun ascended the throne at Agra. 19th MCQ is Humayun defeated Afghans in options are 1539, 1530, 1532, 1534. So the right option here is 1532. In 1532, Humayun defeated Afghans. Humayun captured Kabul and Kandahar in which year? Options are 1543, 1542, 1545, 1547. So the right option here is 1545. In 1545, Humayun captured Kabul and Kandahar. Next MCQ is Humayun captured Lahore in which year? Options are 1550, 1552, 1551, 1554. So the right option here is 1554. In 1554, Humayun captured Lahore. 22nd MCQ is Humayun died in which year? Options are 1550, 1553, 1556, 1554. So third is the right option here, 1556. In 1556, Humayun died. Humayun was ousted by options are Akbar, Sher Shah Suri, Qutbuddin Aibak, Aurangzeb. Second is the right option here, Sher Shah Suri. Humayun was ousted by Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri born in which year? Options are 1478, 1471, 1472, 1470. So the right option here is 1472. In 1472, Sher Shah Suri was born. The real name of Sher Shah Suri was, options are Abid Khan, Fahad Khan, Farid Khan, Shahid Khan. So the right option here is Farid Khan. So the real name of Sher Shah Suri was Farid Khan. 26th MCQ is Sher Shah left Mughal services in which year? Options are 1525, 1526, 1528, 1527. So the right option here is 1528. In 1528, Sher Shah left Mughal services. 27th MCQ is Sher Shah invaded Bengal in which year? Options are 1532, 1537, 1535, 1540. So the right option here is 1537. In 1537, Sher Shah invaded Bengal. Sher Shah Suri was injured by an explosion of gunpowder in which year? Options are 1543, 1545, 1544, 1547. So the right option here is 1545. In 1545, Sher Shah Suri was injured by the explosion of gunpowder. 1545 is the right option. 29th MCQ is in 1545, Sher Shah tried to conquer which city? Options are Jalalabad, Lahore, Delhi, Kalinjar. So the right option here is Kalinjar. In 1545, Sher Shah Suri tried to conquer Kalinjar city. 30th MCQ is Sher Shah Suri are well known for his administrative skills, especially options are land revenue system, price control steps, Mansabdari system, law and order. So the right option here is land revenue system. Sher Shah Suri is well known for his administrative skills, especially the land revenue system. 31st MCQ is the coin Rupaya was first issued by. Options are Sher Shah Suri, Alauddin Khilji, Humayun, Qutbuddin Aibak. So the right option is Sher Shah Suri. So the coin Rupaya was first issued by Sher Shah Suri. 32nd MCQ is which ruler of medieval India is credited with building of GT Road? So the right option here is options are Babur, Sher Shah Suri, Jahangir, Aurangzeb. So the right answer here is Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri is the ruler of medieval India who is credited for building of GT Road. Ruler of India whose administrative system was adopted by Britishers. Options are Bahram Khan, Akbar, Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. So fourth is the right option here, Sher Shah Suri, whose administrative system was adopted by Britishers as well. Who was Islam Shah? Options are son of Sher Shah, father of Sher Shah, brother of Sher Shah, son-in-law of Sher Shah. So first is the right option here. Islam Shah was the son of Sher Shah. Sher Shah Suri is regarded as forerunner of. Options are Akbar, Sabuktigin, Bahadur Shah Zafar. So first is the right option here, Akbar. Sher Shah Suri is regarded as the forerunner of Akbar. Akbar defeated his enemies in famous Second Battle of Panipat in which year? So the options are 1554, 1556, 1559, 1558. So the right option here is 1556. In 1556, the Second Battle of Panipat, Akbar defeated his enemies. When Akbar issued a document which authorized him to act as a superior arbitrator in civil and other affairs. So what was the year? Options are 1579, 1580, 1581, 1582. So the right option here is 1579. In 1579, Akbar issued a document which authorizes him to act as a superior arbitrator in civil and other affairs. 38 MCQ is Akbar marched against the ruler of Bengal in which year? So the options are 1571, 1574, 1576, 1572. So the right option here is 1574. In 1574, Akbar marched against the ruler of Bengal. 1574 is the right option. When Daud was defeated by Akbar, what was the year? Options are 1573, 1570, 1575, 1574. So the right option here is 1575. So in 1575, Daud was defeated by Akbar. When Bengal became the part of Mughal Empire, what was the year? Options are 1576, 1575, 1570, 1579. So the right option here is 1579. Guys, I think this video is little bit difficult because there are a lot more questions regarding the years. So if you could not remember it at first, try to watch it again so you do not miss any of the part. Because there are some important years, some battles are important, and some important question here. So try to watch it again if you find it difficult to memorize it at first. Okay, good luck. Thank you so much.